Hi besties, if you're watching me right now, definitely you are my besties. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about step-by-step beginners friendly makeup tutorial. If you don't know anything about makeup, don't worry, I got you. I'm going to be showing you all the steps with the product I use to achieve this look. Stay by, stay glued. I'm not gonna take too much of your time. Just let's get right into it. Thank you for watching me, and if you have come this far, don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video. I will see you in my next video. Ciao.